So this is ongoing project as well. So it's a Parmiter post knocker, slides out then. So yeah, just need to weld the frame back up. It was a bit bent when a bit welded up when the mast was bent as well. So it used to be I had like linkage just welded on like this, and it could slide out sideways. So what we make now is make a new headstock sort of for it and put some hinges there, so it'll go behind it and you can swing it side to side or straight on. This will have a bigger hammer as well, so it's a contractor model. That's why you can slide out, and it has a bigger hammer start with. And we've actually had a extra bit made for the hammer to make it heavier again, because well, the mast was bent like a box section, so we've gone for heavier box as well at the same time, so you can take more weight. So welded a bit on here, completed each side the weight was. And have some extra bits of steel here to strengthen it there, because we're offset then on this. Just welding it up now, another gusset up there. Need to add another one underneath, strengthen it more on. And we've got a load of old, I think it's loader brackets. So cut the bushes off the old brackets and trying to make them into the hinges then. I do cut this pipe was coming out quite a bit, so cut it back and welded it closer on and ground some of this off and got it closer. And that bit we've brought in, it just follows inside the corner here. We actually had to weld up a bit and move it over a bit, drill a new hole and move it over a bit to get it to fit inside the corner there. Just a view of it and see the box there. So we can go out to the side of the tractor and extend in out there, and then it can go behind and extend in out there and go in between if you want. So you need to put a ram so it's powered to go side to side like that. You have a leg then to go up and down an hydraulic ram to stabilize it then, like the old one then. So this is similar to old one really, but it'll be a heavy weight and have a powered slew on it then. Pivot right here then, and you pull that pin out, then you can push that right round and you lock it back in. Right, do that now. Okay, that's it slewed right out now. You see it's easy to push when you push this out, so we have more leverage on it. Okay, that's it from me for now, really. And at the sale when this came up. So it's a proper plate with the teeth for for holding the post steady for you. And we've looked, and the shaft actually fits. So the shaft for this one